Welcome back. I am Nagesh Kumar Patil, Mice Computer Education, Kapgal Road, Ballari. In the last session, we came to know what is Microsoft Word, how to open Microsoft Word, and the parts of Microsoft Word window. Today, let's come to know about how to save the file and how to work with different alignments. Here, I have typed the text. So first, after typing the text, we have to save the file. To save the file, there are either options to save the file. First option is click the save button from the title bar. This is the one option. The other option is click on the file and select it, click on the save. This is another option. The other option is using keyboard or the CTRL and yes. Either the options, whenever we use, we're able to see this window. Type the file name and click on the save. So now we can use either the way to save the file. I'll use Control S to save the file, type the file name, and what the file name you are supposed to type it, that file name will be on the title bar. Here I just type as a word intro. So what the file name we have given word intro, that will be displayed on the title bar along with the application name. This is how to save the file. Let's come to know, after saving the file, let's come to know how to close the file. To close the file, there are options like click on the file and click on the close option. This is the one option to close the file. The other option, with the help of the keyboard, we can use hold control and you can press W. When you press hold control and you press W, it closes the existing file. To open the file which we have closed, to open the file, again we can use file, open, or click on the file name. The recent documents are there here, word intro as we have saved. The another one, the other option is we can use hold control and you can press O. In this list of file, we can select our own file what you have created earlier. So click on file and select word intro. We are able to see we got our file back. By default, in Microsoft Word, the text flows from left to right and always it will be as alignment. Here alignment means the adjusting the text. In this way, we can adjust the text in 4 types of alignments. One is what the left, next right alignment, next the center alignment, and the justify alignment. And whatever the alignments we are supposed to see in the textbooks, in the magazines, and in the newspaper, the text will be aligned in justify. What's the meaning of the justify? Justify, here we are able to see at the left side the text in a proper position, and whereas in the right side it's in a random. Likewise, if we align to the right side, then what happens? Let's see. Here in the home tab, here we're able to see the left option, that's left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justify alignment. When you click on the right alignment, we can see the right side text position is properly, whereas in the left side it is a random. Suppose if we click on center option, you can see the how the alignment is. So whenever the body of the matter will be there, the body of the matter must be aligned in Justify. To align with the Justify, we can click on this Justify option. We can try this alignment options either from the Home tab and paragraph options here, or else we can use the shortcut keys. In Microsoft Word, there are number of shortcut keys are there. Without using the mouse, we can work with those shortcut keys. For example, to work with left alignment, holding the CTRL key from the keyboard, use L. Press L. We can see the left alignment. We can see the changes. For the right alignment, we can use CTRL and press R. We can see the right alignment and we can see the changes. Likewise, use Ctrl E for the center alignment and Ctrl J for the justify alignment. Now here we can see the matrix justified. So in this way, we can work with the alignments. Today, I'll stop this session. In the next session, let's come to know how to align object within the text. So let's see in the next session. Thanks for attending this first session.